Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's just first open the screen where you want to add the widget, and after that hold for a while the screen and click here to the widget section. Then you'll see here all the available networks, and after that just select, for example, here in clock app we can see that we can add just 5 different type of the widgets. For example, let's add the analog one. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it here to the home screen. After that you can see here the different clock faces. We can use this one, for example. If you want, you can change the size of the widget. You can make it bigger or smaller. Also, we can move the widget between the screens. That's so simple, as you can see. And we can also create the new screens with the widgets. If you want to remove it, just hold it for a while and drag it here to the left upper corner to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.